IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Hello, my sparkles of light. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. So today's video, we are unboxing July 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So if you want to see what I got for July, keep watching. Gonna be a super cool video because I normally look online to check out like what products I'm getting, you know. This time I have no idea what I'm getting. I did go online to unsubscribe from IPSY because this is gonna actually be my last IPSY. I've switched over, I've done it, I've moved over to BoxyCharm. Hopefully this is not gonna be a super long video. I know my videos have been like super long. I try to make them shorter, but sometimes it just doesn't work out that way. All right, so let's get into this box. So how are you today? This week has been pretty good. I try to avoid going out because it really sucks to wear those masks, but I hope you guys are staying healthy and doing well, getting through day by day. I try to keep videos coming and posted for you guys so that there's something uplifting to view. You know, there's a lot of negativity, a lot of news out there that it's just so low vibrational. So I hope I can bring videos to give you some upliftment for the day. So I hope you guys are doing well. All right, let's see. Oh my God, I'm like so excited. I feel like really stoked because I haven't done this before. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we know IPSY's like this. Look at what I did notice too is that the box is a lot bigger than it was last time. I didn't do a video unboxing for June because it just wasn't that interesting. It was a lot of face masks, another liquid liner, a card. I thought it was gonna have a product description, but I will let you guys know the retail prices of everything still. Let's see. Of course, we're gonna start with the bag. Oh my God, I didn't even know my nails were gonna match with the bag. Are you kidding me? Look how cute this is. Ah, look how adorable. I love these colors. Wanderlust. Like the turquoise or the teal and the purple has a cute little airplane. Look at this, these colors. This is really cute. I actually really like this one. I know I say a lot of them are super cute. These are like my color scheme though. I like that. Feels water resistant and like easy cleanup. It's not like fabric. What is this material? This feels kind of like, just like that. This feels like that waterproof material. Anything that I can try on for you, then I will. If I did get a lip product in here, I don't see it. Everything looks like for skincare. All right, so first up we have this PÖRLISSE Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Let me see. The Ritual. Gently smooth over face before makeup or wear alone for best results. Cleanse skin with PÖRLISSE Cleansing Milk first. Wow. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Has a little beauty tip. Hydrate and prime in one step to multitask and speed up your beauty routine. Here it is. And this says it is lightweight oil-free water cream. And it's for oily to combination and normal, even sensitive skin. So it's pretty much for all skin types. Green tea is something that I know is super great for the skin. So I'm actually super excited about this primer. We, of course, are gonna see what this smells like. You know, I have to test that out. I can smell the green tea. I can smell the green tea. Oh my God. This feels really good. Lightweight, moisturizing. Nice. Oh, and since it's the primer, I could feel the stickiness to it. So I'll have to try this primer in a makeup tutorial video for you guys or something and let you guys see how it is. Well, check it out. I didn't know I was gonna get a bunch of like primer skincare stuff today. I thought I was gonna be doing like, I didn't know because I have on a full face, right? All right, so next we have an Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. You see, trying to let you see. Vegan, cruelty-free. Very reflective. It has like some silver. How cute. No way. Look, first there's like little pills here. Let me turn this down so you can see. Look how cute. I love like little details like that. I don't know. And then look at that. Look how cute. This is super cute. This looks like a really good serum. I'm not even joking. We gotta smell this. All right, so let's see. It looks like it's pretty thin consistency. All right, let's see. Nothing. I smell nothing. It has absolutely no smell whatsoever. Okay. Okay. So I wanted to see, this is what I am. Skin hydrating vitamins in a serum. The Awake Effect. This gorgeous bottle. This is actually glass. Skin appears more balanced, hydrated, and smooth. Why I'm special, pH 5.3, a super blend of vitamin B3 plus B5 and antioxidant benefits. I love serums. Everything in here looks like it's something for your face. I'm super surprised right now that I did not get a liquid eyeliner. I'm super surprised. Okay, let's move on. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Look how pretty this is. Ah, that's so cute. And it's by CIATÉ, brand CIATÉ London. I believe that's what that is. Cruelty free as well. Let's see. I got another primer, y'all. This is so pretty. Let's see what this looks like. Smells, it's reminded me of something. I love when smells remind you of something. This smells like sweet, floral. Feels really good. And it doesn't feel like it's a strong scent for your face, you know, since it's a primer. So here's what that's like. Looks like it's gonna give a nice dewy prime for your face, right? It looks super moisturizing. Oh, this is I thought so, because this box looks familiar. A Complex Culture Brush. And I've got a blush brush. Let's see what this looks like. Nice and angled for the blush. Pretty smooth matte finish here on the gray on the handle. This feels good. We'll try this brush in a makeup tutorial next time for my blush. See how this does. It's really soft. And these are cruelty free. Vegan and cruelty free. These are so soft. This feels like a little bunny tail. Can you hear it? I had so much fun doing my ASMR video. I'm gonna have more coming for you guys soon. Got some things in store. If you haven't seen it, go check out my ASMR video. I was unboxing Lulu's accessories, which I'm wearing some of their stuff today. Super fun, super fun. So we have one more thing. There's only one last thing in here. Those already 5 products. One, yep, okay. Let's move this out of the way. The last thing is Surfer Curl Voluming Mascara, Tarte. I haven't gotten Tarte from them in such a long time, actually. So that's cool. So it changes from this to that. So we'll be trying this one out too. It's in the color black. This box is actually, everything in here was vegan and cruelty free, right? I think so. Very nice, sleek here. Let's see what the brush looks like. Nice, right? Let's see if we can just do like a little here. See if that adds to what we've got. Yes, I think so.
Oh my god, those edges.
All right, you guys, that is it for today. We have reached the end of the video. I've unboxed everything for my IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I did get a bunch of primers today. One mascara that I'll be able, so different things that I'll be able to try for you guys in like future videos. I couldn't really try all the primers on today for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up so that I know you liked it. And consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more content from me. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't
miss anything I upload.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay meditated. I will see you soon. Bye. Look how they're in there like